All right, friends, what do you notice different about this Nitecore new P30, which I've reviewed before? If you're thinking, you've noticed that it has the different tail cap. This has the MH25 V2, which I didn't like, but the tail cap is actually really good. What you get is you get these sucky normal tail caps that come with the MH25S and the V2. They're just not well designed. I don't know why the designers would put something out like this. It's not that great a cap. But this, the one that came with the V2, you can order separately under the accessories tab, and you can get a good one that tail stands actually and allows the light to be used like it should be used. What a world of difference you get when you get the right tail cap. It really makes a whole lot of difference. So what you do is you'll see it show up in just a couple of days with the from the Nitecore store in Austin, which is where I got this from. Just ordered it online, and it's a really good deal if you decide you want to get a replacement switch for your Nitecore MH series. I think it also fits a whole bunch of other Nitecore lights. So head over to the Nitecore store, and on the accessories tab you can buy a couple of new tail caps for your lights. All right, have fun.